Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Isha. These are some of my really amazing product recommendations that every human out there needs. You all need these products to just feel the best version of yourself. So first up is this Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Serum. It's amazing. Like, I'm telling you, look at my hair. Can you see the shine? Can you see? I have really dry hair. So the shine is real. You know what? I'm going to show you all, like, maybe a little bit. I don't know. I actually am wearing it right now, so I don't know how much of difference that's going to make. It's just like a little bit because very small section of hair I'm choosing to demonstrate. Just gonna do you see the difference? It's just so much more shinier and just smooth look. Yeah. So it really works. I tried it for the first time randomly. I just purchased it because I like the packaging, but it's really good. K Genesis range. It's a hair fall oil. Basically more like a serum than an oil. You have to use it every single day. I've almost like finished it. I've gone through almost 3 to 4 of them. It's a little expensive but worth every penny. Actually seeing some baby hair growth. Can you see that? Yeah, so it works. It's a cult favorite lip mask. Again, amazing. It's everybody's favorite for a reason. Just that I think you need to apply like a super thick coat of it before going to bed. Can you see that shine? Apply like a thick coat of it before going to bed and you wake up with smooth lips, ultra smooth lips. Invest in products like this. Next up is the Moody Mist. I cannot stop talking about this. If you have been following me, you know that I yap about this product a lot. It's really good. It's a Derma Soothe Gentle Dew Essence Face Mist. I think I was obsessed with the idea of essence and face mist since the Road Glazing Milk was out, but I couldn't find something that was close enough. And I think this is not the dupe, definitely not the dupe, but close enough. And this is conditioner actually. I bought it with this. This is like a complete range. Both of these products have worked beautifully on my hair. I have dry hair and like oily scalp, so for some reason I can't shampoo too much, but at the same time I have to keep it hydrating. It's very confusing. This range clearly helps with that. Adapalene gel was something that my dermat recommended me because I have whiteheads and blackheads. So Adapalene gel with this one cream, both of them together I was supposed to apply, but I ran out of this, so I stopped using it and started using Adapalene with moisturizer. And honestly, I can see a very visible difference, but make sure, because Adapalene is like super drying, A, do a patch test. B, talk to your dermat if you can use it, again only if you have whiteheads and blackheads. And if you are using Adapalene, use it because, again, patch test, dermat, all of this is approved only then. And if you're using it, use a moisturizer. Use a very heavy, good moisturizer because this is drying. So please do that. And last but not the least is this bouncy sleeping mask. Again, it's amazing. I use it before I sleep. Yeah, I've used it a couple of times. Just take a little bit small amount on, just take a small amount and, you know, massage it well on your skin and just go to sleep. And you wake up with really nice bouncy skin. Now, this has some ingredients that I can't pronounce, but it does promise to give you plumpy skin, hydrating, it's glowing, it's amazing, and it works. Okay, these products are not just ones that are glorified, but that actually are worth it. That's for this video. I hope you liked it. These products are really my holy grail. They work amazing, and I really want you all to start using them because I have seen results. So like that, please like, share, comment, and let me know what you want to see more. Bye.